Hey family, we got another video for you. So you guys know that I have been suffering from menopause. So I'm going to show you how I make these amazing suppositories, which I had previously made before, but we're going to do a quick video. First, you need something for a double boiler. I use this cup and I just put it inside of a pot of water. The next thing you're going to need is this ice cube tray. I use the one from Amazon because it's nice, skinny, and long. You can order it right on Amazon. The next thing you're going to need is some type of scale or some type of way to get you a measurement. This is the scale that I'm using, and we're just going to put that over to the side. Next thing I have is 20 ounces of cocoa butter, 30 ounces of coconut oil, and 2 mLs of glycerin. This glycerin is not needed. As you can see, it is a very, very small amount, but glycerin helps pull moisture in and it will help moisturize. So it will really give you that moisture effect back that you lost. You can use oils right here. I have lavender, but I upgraded this recipe and I use tea tree and sandalwood because they're antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-itch. So we melted our cocoa butter. So now we are just going to put our coconut oil in. I actually let the cocoa butter cool down just a little bit, but it's still warm enough for me to stir in the coconut oil. So once we stir in the coconut oil, right after that, we are going to pour in our glycerin. Glycerin is so moisturizing. I use it in a lot of my facial products. So we're going to give that a stir, and then we are going to add 5 drops of each of the oil. Again, I use tea tree oil for my upgraded version and sandalwood oil for my upgraded version. And these have also been in studies for BPV, okay? And a lot of other things. So next thing we have here is we're going to put them in our ice tray. And I only use these for suppositories, and I don't have any gloves because this is mine. I'm going to use it, okay? I'm not giving these to anyone. Next thing, we have it already. I popped them in the freezer. We took them out, and this is what they look like, okay? So we are just going to take these out. Let me put on all of my stuff, get everything, and make sure I have it all together. But we are just going to pull these out. Oops. Hey, I don't want to forget this. Ladies, you will need some pads, okay? Because this is going to melt, and it is going to come back out. Okay, it is going to melt. Yes. So let's pop these right on out of here and let me show you what they look like. Yes, I love these things, especially they gave me such a cooling feel. It just felt so good, ladies. I absolutely love these things. I only had to wear them for about a week. I used one in the morning and one at night, and I didn't really have that problem again. I also made a tea as well, and I really don't have a problem unless I don't drink the hormonal balancing tea, which will be on my next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.